And that was a Brazilian who taught me, and I don't stop doing it. In a pan, let's start by giving 395 grams of condensed milk, 100 grams of grated coconut, and a tablespoon of butter. Let's mix very well with fire still divided. Now just turn on the fire and stir until get to the point. Guys, this is the sweet spot. We unglue everything to the bottom of the pan. It's just take it and let's move everything to one container. Let's leave it to him cool down. With our candy already cold, we'll pass some butter in hand. And here I used a tablespoon as a mixture, and you will start modeling. And just model it in the shape of a ball. And so it's already perfect. Just repeat the process with the rest of the dough and go stay that away. In a pot, I will add a cup of sugar, half a cup of water, and a spoon of vinegar soap. Let's mix very well, and soon after boiling until arriving this consistency, just get a little of caramel on the spatula, and when to start descending very slowly is already good. Just take it out of the fire. Here, we'll get one little ball of our candlestick, a toothpick. And dip in our caramel. And this process is very simple. It's just repeat with the rest of the candy and remove well the excess of that caramel. And guys, look how perfect is that candy. Do it at your house, I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed. This was another little recipe here from the Pool in the Kitchen. That strong hug, until the next time, and thanks for watching.